Hello everybody, my name is Janita. I've recently joined PCS, best choice of my life. I come from a background of FMCG and retail, focusing more on sales and key accounts. I have about 4 years of recruitment behind my name, and I focus on food and manufacturing, animal feed, agriculture, FMCG and retail. Thoroughly enjoying these sectors. However, I'm open to help you with any other sector that you might need my guidance on. So being in recruitment previously and coming to PCS has been very structured in terms of processes that we follow and how clients and candidates are serviced. I've never been privy to this type of process, and I think that's what has allowed PCS to be so successful for the entire period that it has been. Definitely perfect candidate for a animal feed industry technical sales role I was looking for. However, the candidate actually did work at the previous company that I wanted him to be placed in. When I actually spoke to him about the reason that he had left, he told me it was a contract position, only for me to submit his application to the client and for the client to come back and tell me he was actually dismissed for harassment. So my go-to is, as soon as I get a client, is to understand the background of the client and what is it that they actually do. And again, it falls back to Leslie. If I am clueless of the industry or what they actually do, I go back to Leslie and I say, guide me and tell me what is it that I do. And ultimately, I'm going to do my research on the client, what is it that they require, and from there, I'm able to actually find the suitable candidate. So I believe the team that I'm currently in each bring their own skill set. Leslie has decades of experience in the food and manufacturing industry, so she comes with all of technology, not technology, but technical and more detailed in terms of the positions. So as an example, if I had to do an interview for an animal feed person and I had no understanding of what monogastric is, Leslie is able to guide me. So she comes with all of that background. For Tswana comes with the know-how and the hustle of how to see through a candidate and whether he or she is the best fit. And then you have me, who's the passive one and more patient one, okay? Between Leslie and Tswana, they always say I'm the patient one. So if they're inundated with stuff, then they like, Jan, can you help me assist with the interviews? And Tswana hates interviews, so Jan, can you do interviews? Leslie is the 1 to 2 hour interview person, so if she's looking to do an interview shorter version, then she's Jan, you take over. So we all have our skill sets that helps each other to ensure that we're able to help clients or any sort of project that's brought to us.